Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston. We're going to check out one of our best-selling boats in the small category that we have here at MarineMax. This is the 17-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. This has always been a popular model for us for a couple of reasons. You can do a little bit of everything with it, but it'll also fit in most garages. So it makes storage easy. We've got a swing-away tongue on the trailer that'll give you about almost 3 feet of additional space. This one is loaded with all the great options. Got front cushions that are removable, a nice ice chest. This one has a fishing package, sun top, stainless steel rub rail, aerated bait well. Check out the nice boarding platform we have on the back here. This one has the forward and aft seating set up with the removable cushions. You got rod holders right there if you take the backrest out. 115 horse Merc on the back. This boat will do anything you'd want it to do, and it's capable of just about any kind of use in any type of water. Unsinkable legend, Boston Whaler. Y'all come check this out. My name's Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.